There's a story people often tell about a frog and a pot of water. If you drop a frog into boiling water, it reacts instantly. It jumps out immediately because the danger is obvious. But if you place that same frog into normal water and slowly raise the temperature, something different happens. At first, the water feels comfortable, warm, safe, harmless. The frog relaxes. Nothing seems wrong. Then the temperature rises a little more. The frog adjusts. A little hotter again. It adjusts again. Because the change is small, it never feels like a real threat. Nothing feels dangerous enough to escape from. So the frog stays where it is, convincing itself that everything is still fine. Until one day, the water becomes deadly. And by then, it's too exhausted to jump out anymore. That's how most damage happens in real life. Not all at once. Not like a storm. Slowly. Quietly. Almost invisibly. Bad habits don't destroy you in a single day. Toxic relationships don't become painful overnight. Silent stress, unhealthy routines, constant disrespect, negative thoughts, they grow little by little until they become your normal. And that's what makes them dangerous. The most harmful situations are often the ones that feel familiar. The ones you learn to tolerate. The ones you keep excusing because it's not that bad yet. But every day you ignore the warning signs, the temperature keeps rising. If a habit is slowly ruining your peace, leave it early. If a relationship is slowly breaking your spirit, protect yourself early. If your life is moving in a direction you know is wrong, change it before you lose the strength to move at all. Because the most dangerous problems in life are rarely the loud ones. They're the quiet ones that slowly convince you to stay.